Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok not uploading videos. Let's get started. What you need to do is make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and data. Next is close the app completely. Reopen TikTok and try uploading. Next method is go to your TikTok, then profile, then tap the three lines in the top right, then settings and privacy. Then scroll down and go to free up space, and after that clear cache. Next method is open the App Store if iPhone or Google Play Store if Android. Search for TikTok. If an update is available, install it. Next is ensure that video follows TikTok size, length, and format rules. A simple restart often clears glitches that blocks uploads. Then the last method is delete the app and reinstall it from the store. Log back in and try uploading again. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.